Hey guys, Room Picker here from that lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Cygnet 1 by EriqDaSwan, and he made his out of an Abus 8345 Series 2. You can see he has this beautiful engraving on this brass Abus padlock, and then on this side he engraved Cygnet 1. And the keyway is pretty freaking massive, so we're going to be using our EriqDaSwan deep hook to pick this. So 50 thousandths top the keyway and our EriqDaSwan deep hook. And let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's rotate this, and there we go. That should be good. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get this open tonight. A little bit of a false set. Deeper false set. Lost our false set. Setting that pin. I got it back. Sorry guys. Lost it again. I think we overset something. I dropped it. There we go. That's a much deeper false set. Got counter rotation on one. Yes, we do. That's good. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, maybe something on 5. And we got the open. Zoom out. Come on. There we go. Get this out of the way. And we're going to angle this camera down a little bit so we have room to gut this lock. Alright, so we are open. We're still in frame. Like I said, I'm working with this new camera setup, so I just got to make sure. Actually, you know what? We're going to see if this key works. Well, that's some challenge lock bidding right there. You can see we got a bunch of highs and lows. Definitely violates max. Come on. There we go, focus. There we go. So let's see if the key works. Key does work surprisingly well. No catching whatsoever. Phillips head. Hopefully that was not important because I don't know what that went to. I have no clue what that went to. Well, I know what it does because I know that it was key retaining. I bet you it goes like that. Come on. Well, I'm gonna have to figure that out. I don't know where that piece went. I'll have to find out. Excuse me. Alrighty, get this clip off the back. Excuse me. Alright, delicate. There we go. Just that easy. Ooh, that's pretty interesting. Too bad he didn't populate this chamber. So he counter milled 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all 5 chambers. Oh, and he even engraved this core. It says EriqDaSwan right there, if you guys can see that. So, let's take this. So we got gin bottles for all these except for 5. 5 is a standard. The rest of these are gin bottles. To force oversets. One is double spool. Two is a gin bottle. 3 is a multi-level serrated with short spring to match the pin stacks. And then we should have nothing in 6. And 5 is a T-pin. Let's get this spring out. Oop, almost lost it. This is another double spool. So with a sharp top on the bottom to catch on that counter milling. And any mods to the core. Does not appear he did any mods to the core. So the only mods he did was to the, or sorry, no mods to the Bible, only mods he did was to the core. So let's go ahead and bring this over so you guys can see. So here's this amazing pin work from EriqDaSwan. See those gin bottles and those multi-level spools and double spools. Got the spring variation, that T-pin on 5. And then here is the core. You can see that counter milling on those chambers. And there's the key. And that is the Cygnet 1 challenge lock. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.